Hey, it's George with Dallas Bath and Glass. We're in McKinney, and I come to visit one of my friend contractors, and he's got a couple of projects going on in this neighborhood. We're at the corner of Freeport and I don't know, can't remember it. And this is Ricardo.
Hey, George.
How you doing, buddy? How are you?
I'm doing good, buddy. How are you?
You gonna show us this project today? Dallas Fort Worth is excited to hear from Ricardo.
Yeah, but inside, not outside, 'cause it's bloody freezing.
All right, let's go.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too,
Thank
buddy.
you. Come on in. Oh,
Ricardo,
it's cold today.
it is cold.
Come on through.
All right, thank
We're
you.
gonna go upstairs.
Yeah, Ricardo likes me hauling that glass upstairs. Look at that staircase. Oh my gosh. What you got going on today, Ricardo?
So, I've already completed the small guest bathroom. Right now, I'm in the final phase of the master bathroom. I just wrapped up doing the tile work on Saturday. This is pretty much it. So, it's looking good. I like it. The customer's super pleased, super happy. Couple of things that we've done. This used to be a wall straight up to the ceiling, so I went ahead and knocked it down just to be able to expand the bathroom and just really give it a little bit more space and the feeling of it being bigger than what it really is. Extended the window. That was a much smaller windowsill, just so that it makes it easier for the install. I assisted in and framed new studs so that the wall just runs completely straight. It makes it just looks a lot easier.
And that was a solid wall, folks. That thing went to the ceiling.
All the way to the ceiling.
And it made that thing feel like a closet shower with a water hose. And Ricardo, he reframed this, and then I don't know what he's trying to explain here, which makes this absolutely gorgeous. Is that windowsill is now a real windowsill and wrapped it with tile. Notice the tile goes all the way to the ceiling, which looks fantastic. One of the things we're going to do is I already measured for the shower glass. We're going to hinge it on this solid wall here. We're going to do about a 28-inch door. We're going to point up there 80 inches.
80 inches should come up to right about, there's a center point for the, so it should come up to right about here.
And that'll look great against that tile going to the ceiling. Now that shower's going to look fantastic. We're going to do about a 28-inch door and then notch back up, come back over to the other side. And this window is clear. And so what we're looking at doing, if I can talk the customer into it, is adding this rain glass pattern to that actual window that's right there. What do you think, Ricardo? Think we talk them into it?
I'm going to try to, because right now the look of the window, I mean, it's an older style window, obviously. So my goal is to get that window removed and then have a new window installed. Firstly, for the age of the window as it is, I think it just doesn't look right that we have a see-through window.
Right.
If we do a window where it's more tempered glass, it's more privacy. Not only would we know there would be no need for a blind, because then it just takes away from the ambience of the look of the new tile, but it just makes the natural light flood into the bathroom, makes it look that much nicer. Less clutter, less mess on the window, and it just makes it look pretty.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So we're finishing up. He's remodeled the whole bathroom. We'll do a follow-up video with Ricardo. We're running about a week and a half on the shower glass. Of course, it's going to be frameless. And Ricardo, he has done several houses in this neighborhood. His finish is phenomenal, top notch. He's on the job. So if you guys are looking for anybody, this is
Ricardo from First Class Construction.
See y'all soon.
Thank you, guys.